Hey there, defenders. Ever felt that pit in your stomach when walking alone at night? Well, fear no more. Today, we're diving into 5 lightning-fast self-defense moves that could save your life. These aren't just any moves. They're the game changers that can end a fight before it even begins. So, buckle up and get ready to become your own superhero. Before we jump in, remember, these techniques are for emergency situations only. Always prioritize your safety, seek professional training, and use these moves as a last resort. All right, let's get into it. Move number 1. The palm strike of doom is your ultimate lifesaver in a cornered situation. Imagine an attacker looming over you, ready to strike. You feel frozen, but then you remember this powerful move. To execute it, open your hand wide, keeping your fingers tightly together to create a stable surface. Aim for sensitive areas like the nose or chin, targets that can cause pain and disorientation. Strike with the heel of your palm, pushing upward with force as if driving their nose into their brain. Don't worry. It's about shock and disorientation, not actual damage. For maximum impact, plant your feet firmly on the ground, rotate your hips slightly, and channel power from your legs and body, not just your arm. This move is incredibly effective because it uses the strong, padded heel of your hand, reducing the risk of self-injury compared to a punch. A well-executed palm strike can knock your attacker off balance, disorient them, and give you precious seconds to escape. Seconds that can mean the difference between safety and danger. Move number 2. The Groin Kick of Justice is one of the most infamous but undeniably effective moves in self-defense. It's not just a cheap shot, it's a lifesaver, especially when you're outmatched in size or strength. To execute it, position yourself for maximum leverage by planting your weight on your back leg. If your attacker is facing you, bring your knee up high, aiming for their groin, and extend your leg forcefully. Use the top of your foot or shin, whichever feels more natural in the moment. Aim upward, not just forward, to create maximum impact, as if you're kicking a soccer ball into the sky, but with their groin as the target. Follow through like you're trying to kick right through their body for maximum pain and incapacitation. This works because the groin is highly vulnerable, packed with nerve endings that amplify pain. Even the strongest attacker will struggle to ignore the immediate shock of a well-placed kick. And remember, you don't need brute strength for this move. Precision and commitment are key. Pro tip: after delivering the kick, don't stick around to admire your handiwork. Use their moment of pain to escape and get to safety. Move number 3. The elbow strike of fury is perfect for close quarters combat. Ground your feet, bend your arm at a 90-degree angle, and drive your elbow into the attacker's face, jaw, or solar plexus using your core's rotational force. For maximum impact, aim for sensitive areas like the temple or nose. If the attacker is behind you, swing your elbow backward and upward. Your elbow's hardness and your body's momentum make this move ideal for breaking holds and creating distance. Holding an object like keys or a pen can further amplify its impact. Move number 4. The eye jab of resolve is a quick, simple move designed to break an attacker's focus. Extend your fingers together and jab toward their face with speed and control, aiming for the eyes. Precision isn't essential. Even a near miss can trigger a flinch or reflex. Keep your other hand in a defensive position to guard yourself. This move works because instinct drives everyone to protect their eyes, making even the toughest attacker react. It's not about causing harm, but creating enough distraction to escape safely. Move number 4, or grappling. If the attacker is close, lift your heel slightly and stomp forcefully onto the top of their foot using your full body weight. This move is especially effective if you're wearing hard-soled shoes or heels. The instep contains small, delicate bones, so a hard stomp can cause intense pain, making it hard for your attacker to stand or chase you. It's ideal for breaking their grip, giving you the chance to escape. For even better results, pair the foot stomp with another move. Self-defense is about quick, effective moves to protect yourself and escape. Practice these techniques, stay aware, and prioritize your safety. Be your own hero. You've got this.